In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into HostGator cPanel and efficiently track your email delivery. This handy guide will assist you in navigating through your cPanel to ensure you have all the necessary information to keep your emails running smoothly and address any delivery issues that may arise. First things first, you'll need to log in to your HostGator cPanel account. This is the control hub where you'll manage various aspects of your hosting and email services. Accessing your cPanel is straightforward. You'll use the credentials provided by your hosting provider. Once you've entered your username and password, click the login button and you're in. Once inside, you're going to want to locate the email section. This part of your cPanel is specifically designed to give you control over your email accounts and functions. Within this section, look for an option labeled Track Delivery, or sometimes it might be called Email Trace. Clicking on this will direct you to the area where you can begin tracking your email's journey. Now that you're in the right place, you can start filtering your email logs. You'll see a field where you can enter an email address or set specific criteria that are relevant to the emails you wish to trace. This filtering helps by narrowing down the results, allowing you to focus on particular emails or sets of emails, like recent ones you've sent or those of a particular account. Once you have entered your search criteria, review the logs that appear. This step is key, as it provides a detailed record of emails that have been sent, received, or unfortunately failed. As you examine the logs, take note of the details provided, like timestamps and any error messages. These data points are crucial for getting insights into the path your emails have taken and can help in identifying where things may have gone wrong. Armed with all this information, you can start using these insights to troubleshoot any email delivery issues. Perhaps you'll see that some emails are being delayed or there's a specific reason an email wasn't delivered. This section allows you to analyze the delivery route, check for potential blocks, or find out if there are issues with the recipient's server. By understanding the logs, you can make informed decisions on how to resolve these issues and improve your email communication system. And there you have it, a straightforward process to ensure your emails are being tracked effectively through HostGator's cPanel. This knowledge empowers you to stay ahead of any potential email communication issues, ensuring your emails are always reaching their desired destinations without any hiccups. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more insightful tutorials.